Hi, I'm Ray with McGuckin Hardware. You know we sharpen knives? Check this out. Laser sharpening machine. When you're done, you better be careful because the knives are very, very sharp. Let's demo it for you. What we do is we insert the blade. The blade gets clamped into the machine, analyze the uniqueness of the angles of the knife and the curves on the knife. Then it's going to come back through and it will, with precision technology, put a sharp edge on it. It runs it twice, then it comes through and analyzes it. After it analyzes it, it runs it through again and sharpens it. It always does 2 sets of sharpening. Then it runs through and does an initial, make sure that angle is perfect on it. After it thinks everything's good, it goes back through, buffs it, polishes it. When we take it out of the machine, blade is razor sharp. Watch. Look at how sharp that is. Razor sharpness, nice smooth cuts. It's that easy. So if you need sharpening done, to razor technology, get your knife back to the way it was when you bought it, come into McGuckin Hardware, we'll be happy to help you.